Hello, amazing English learners, and welcome back to SpeakFlow English. I'm Mr. Whale.
And I'm Daphne. It's great to be back. Mr. Whale, I want to talk about something: motivation. So many learners start strong. They study for 3 hours on Monday, but then nothing on Tuesday. By Friday, they feel guilty and stop.
Motivation. It is a very unreliable friend, Daphne. This is a critical mistake. We believe we need motivation to practice. The truth is the opposite.
You're so right. We can't wait to feel motivated. We need a system, a habit so simple, so easy that we can do it even on days when we have zero motivation.
Precisely. Lasting change is built on systems. But Daphne, why do you think that motivation fades so quickly in the first place?
Honestly, I think it's because their goal is too big. They aim for perfection. They study for 3 hours trying to be perfect. They make one mistake in a conversation, and they feel like a failure. That feeling kills all motivation.
That is the great trap. The briefing we reviewed had a wonderful quote: "Mistakes will teach you more English than perfection." We must focus on progress, not perfection.
I love that. It's so true. Even native speakers make mistakes. If you're perfect, you have nothing left to learn. The goal isn't to be flawless. The goal is simply to be understood.
And this desire for perfection leads to the second major problem. Learners freeze because they're trying to remember complex grammar rules instead of just communicating.
Oh, the popsicle stick analogy from our research. That was brilliant. Can you share that?
Yes, imagine building a house. Vocabulary, the words, are the wooden sticks. Grammar is the glue that holds them together.
If you only have glue, perfect grammar, but no sticks, words, you have nothing. Just a sticky mess.
But if you have lots of sticks, vocabulary, and no glue, you can still build something that looks like a house. The message gets across. Fluency starts with vocabulary, not grammar.
So what everyone needs is a system that helps them practice imperfectly, overcomes the fear of making mistakes, and focuses on using the vocabulary they already have.
Exactly. Which brings us to the simple, powerful 5-minute daily habit we want to teach today.
The question of the day habit. It's the perfect system because it's fast, it's private so the fear is low, and it forces you to use your vocabulary sticks.
It is. The single habit attacks the fear, bypasses the grammar trap, and builds your consistency. Let's step into the SpeakFlow classroom and build this habit together. Welcome. The goal of this habit is to overcome your fear of speaking by creating a simple, private, and consistent practice. We will follow 4 simple steps.
And here is my most important tip based on our briefing. Progress, not perfection. The goal is not to be perfect. Even native speakers make mistakes. Your goal is simply to be understood. Mistakes are good. They teach you. This is a safe space.
Exactly. Let's begin. Step 1. Choose a simple question about your life. Our first question is, what did you eat for breakfast today? Step 2. Say the question out loud. Let's practice the pronunciation together. Listen, then repeat in the pause. What did you eat for breakfast today? What did you eat for breakfast today? Your turn to speak.
Great. Now, step 3. Answer the question out loud. Don't worry about grammar. Just use the words you know. Use chunks. Don't be perfect. Just speak.
Answer the question now. Your turn. A simple answer is perfect. For example, I ate eggs and toast. Or, I eat bread and coffee.
You just did it. You spoke English. Now, for step 4, the magic step, repeat and refine. Try to answer the same question again, but add one more detail.
Let's try. Answer again. What did you eat for breakfast today? This time, maybe you said, today I ate eggs and toast with my family, or I ate bread and coffee, but I don't like coffee.
Do you see? You just improved. You practiced thinking directly in English. You are building the habit.
Wonderful. You have learned the script. Now, let's put it all together in an interactive conversation.
Okay. Imagine we are at the office waiting for the elevator. It's just you and me. My tip. Don't be afraid. Just use the chunks we practiced. Let's talk. Hi there. How is your week going?
It's going well, thanks. What about you?
It's busy, but good. The weather is beautiful today, isn't it?
Oh, definitely. I love this weather.
Me too. Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not really. I think I would just relax at home.
That sounds nice. I'm planning to go to the park on Saturday.
That sounds great. Or, really? Tell me more.
Yeah, I just want to read a book. By the way, I have a question about the report. Are you free later today?
Yes, I am free after 3 p.m. Or, sorry, I have a meeting.
Okay, great. I'll send you a message. Oh, here's the elevator. Anyway, I have to go.
Okay, it was great talking to you.
You too. Let's catch up soon.
Sounds good. Have a great day.
Excellent. You just had a perfect, natural, small talk conversation. You did it.
Welcome back. That 5-minute question of the day system is a powerful system. But Daphne, that system only works if the brain is ready to learn.
This is the final piece of the puzzle, Mr. Whale. The briefing we read called this the holistic approach. Your English learning isn't separate from your health. It's connected to your entire life.
Precisely. You cannot learn effectively if you are tired. We must prioritize rest. Sleep is not a waste of time. It is essential for recovery and for your brain to store all the new vocabulary you're practicing.
And what you do around your sleep is just as important. That's why I love the digital balance tip. Stop using screens at least 30 minutes before bed. It prepares your mind for rest.
And how you start your day is also critical. That briefing mentioned avoiding your phone first thing in the morning.
Yes, my big tip here, when you wake up, don't check notifications immediately. Take 10 minutes to just breathe, stretch, or practice 10 minutes of silence. That mental care gives your mind space to think clearly before the stress of the day begins.
I agree. A calm mind learns better. This also connects to daily movement. The briefing was clear. This doesn't mean a hard workout at the gym. It can be a 15-minute walk, stretching, or even dancing in your room.
Exactly. The goal is to stay active, not to suffer. Moving your body gives you energy and mental clarity. A short walk outside can be more valuable for your learning than 30 minutes of stressed studying.
Energy is the key, which brings us to nutrition. Again, the same principle applies. It is not about a perfect diet.
Right. It's about progress, not perfection. If you eat something unhealthy, don't feel guilty. Just make a better choice for your next meal. Drink plenty of water. Give your brain the fuel it needs to learn.
It is all one complete system. Good sleep, a clear mind, daily movement, balanced nutrition, and our simple 5-minute question of the day habit. That is the true path to fluency.
I love that. And to make that system stick, the briefing had one final tip. Celebrate your small wins. When you finish your 5-minute practice, just pause and tell yourself, Good job. This reinforces the habit and makes you want to do it again tomorrow.
So, to summarize our masterclass, rely on systems, not motivation, and aim for progress, not perfection.
That's the secret. So, what is your question of the day for tomorrow? Leave a comment below and share it with us.
Thank you for joining our masterclass. If this was helpful, please show your support by liking this video and subscribing to SpeakFlow English for more.
We'll see you in the next lesson.
Until next time, keep speaking, keep flowing,